Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Baldwin City, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is a move that involves moving your belongings over a distance of 50 miles or more. Long-distance moves can be within the same state or interstate. It can also extend outside the state or interstate. 3 Movers offers inter- or intrastate moves. Your belongings are safe in our custody throughout the moving period. We train our movers to manage and care for our clients' belongings, and our moving trucks are fit to travel over long distances. Our insurance policies also cover risk during the entire move. You don't have to worry about spending too much to move your belongings over long distances when hiring our services. Our pricing system is the best you can get anywhere. We are a customer-focused moving firm, and we have designed our business processes and rates with the interest of our clients in mind. 3 Movers has made it possible for locals in Baldwin City to access professionals who can help execute urgent and efficient moves in the city. We not only plan and conduct prompt moves, we also do it at affordable rates. Depending on some factors, we charge as low as $30 or $40 per hour. We also offer around-the-clock customer service, and our positive customer feedback and return rate are proof of our exceptional service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Baldwin City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.